In this video, I'll be showing you how to create your own app demo video. Whether you're an iOS, an Android, or a web app developer, you know that one of the most difficult times actually comes after you've written the last line of code. When it comes to actually promoting your app, getting people excited, and most importantly, having them purchase and download your app. With so many low-quality apps that have recently been flooding the App Store, it can be difficult to convince people to give up their hard-earned cash to try out a new app that they've never seen in action before. One of the best ways to overcome that hesitation is to show them an app demo video. So let me show you how to do that with Placeit. So let me show you what one of these actually looks like. So this one is of an iPhone 6, and it shows the app being used. And it looks very professionally made, it's very clean, it's very high resolution. And you imagine using this for the background on the header of your website, or just on the background of your website, or actually uploading it to social media or to create an ad for your app. In this next example, we can see how we have the actual app being used on the left-hand side of the screen and the user enjoying and using the app on the right-hand side. So this is another video that would be perfect to actually promote your app, to show what it actually looks like in real life and how a user might actually get the benefits from your app. But you don't have to be an Android or an iOS developer to benefit from app demo videos. For example, here we have a web app running on a MacBook Pro. And once again, it's very high quality, it's very slick. It shows the user what the app looks like. It's far more convincing than any boring old screenshots. So let me go ahead and show you how to actually make an app demo video. To get started creating our own app demo video, we simply have to go to Placeit and pick out the template that we like. I picked this one here. You can preview it by clicking on the play button. All right, so it's the same one that I showed you before. And to actually upload our own video, we go to the top section here, right above the video, where we've got these different buttons. You can also create a quick demo by just clicking on Quick Demo. And if it happens to be a web app, you can type the URL here, click on Go, and Placeit's going to go to the website, click around, scroll around, and basically create a quick demo for you using this template. You could also upload the video if you happen to have a screen capture of your app. You can use this option here. The one we're going to be using for our tutorial today is the record your screen option. And to do that, we actually need to have recorded pre-installed. If not, when you click on record your screen, Placeit's going to detect that you don't have recorded installed and will offer to let you download the Mac or the Windows version for free. So it's very simple. So to actually do this, let me show you what it looks like. We click on record your screen. All right, it's going to give me this little pop-up, open recorded, because I'm on Chrome. Right? So it's launched and recorded. And here on the right-hand side, if you're using Mac, it's going to ask, are you ready? Click select area when you have the correct window open. All right. And if you're using Windows, it's going to be slightly different. Instead of being on the top menu bar, it's going to be down here at the bottom where you have your little icons. All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open Placeit again. So this is what you can do if you happen to have a web app. All right, so I'm going to right click anywhere on the website that I want to record. I'm going to click on inspect, right? And then I'm going to click on this little button here, which is toggle device toolbar. And what that lets us do is preview a website, any website that we want, as if we were using a mobile device. So as you see, once I click it, it goes back to normal. Once I click it again, it's going to take the dimensions of the device that I have up here. So right now it is simulating an iPhone 6, 7, or 8 screen. So if I click on it, I can actually choose a different resolution. So I'll just leave it as it is. Now, to actually get the website to look like it's loading on an iPhone 6, 7, or 8, I just need to refresh. So let's just refresh the page. And there we go. It's loading the mobile version of the website. So that's what you can do for a web app. All right, now we're ready. So we click on select area. It's going to bring up this little crosshair, which lets us select the recording area. I'm just going to click and drag. It's not going to let me actually mess this up. It's going to maintain the correct proportions for the device that the template is of. So just let it go. And then it says, click up here when you're ready to record. So we'll do that. And then I click here in the window, and then I do what I want to record. So I'm going to scroll around a little bit. I'm going to click on apparel and print. Let it load. All right, excellent. Now I just go to the top right-hand side on Mac, click on Stop. On Windows, this would be on the bottom menu bar. Right, and it says Done Recording. We're now going to start processing your video. Click Continue. So we just click on Continue. And it's going to open up a new tab with the template that we've chosen. It's going to give us just a quick preview of what we recorded. All right, so that looks good. I'll click on Looks Good. Otherwise, we can click on Record Again to record again if we want to change something. Right, and then it's actually going to process our video. Just give it a second here to put our video into the template. All right, and there we go. That was pretty quick. And now we can see a preview of what that actually looks like. So there we have our video of our web app on the left-hand side and the user enjoying and using it and getting benefits on the right-hand side. Once you're satisfied with your app demo video and you're sure you don't want to make any more changes, you simply go back to the top section where all the buttons are and click on the blue download button. Next, you choose the resolution that you want to download your video at, either small or high, and then click on purchase and you follow those steps. So that's how easy it is to create your own app demo video. With so much competition out there, customers are not going to spend the time researching, figuring out what your app looks like, what the quality is like. So it's better to just take the initiative and show them up front what they're in for. Show them the high quality of your app, the great benefits they're going to get, just how awesome it looks. So it's super easy to do that with Placeit's app demo videos. Let me show you on Placeit where you actually find them. To get to the app demo videos, you simply go to placeit.net and you go to the top left-hand sidebar under Digital Mockups and you slide down to where it says App Demo Videos. Once you click on that, you're going to see thumbnails of all the different app demo videos that are available. And there are a ton of different types. So one of the best ways to filter them is to use the left-hand sidebar. So here we can filter by device, such as iPhone, iPad, MacBook, Android, etc. And below that, we also have tags. So if we want an app demo video that features some sort of an educational setting, a commerce setting, or even a fitness setting, we can click those as well, and it'll just show us the app demo videos that have to do with that setting. So there you have it. In just a couple of clicks, we created a professional looking app demo video that showcases some of the best features of our app, a user actually getting benefits from it, and just generally shows how great our app looks. So there's really no reason not to use Placeit to create some fantastic visual assets and get those downloads.